Hey, it's Aurelius. In this video, you're going to learn how to build a website no matter your purpose or goal, whether it's for your business or your personal brand, or if you're looking to sell your products and services online. This video is for you because I'm going to show you how to quickly and easily make a website using AI and in just a matter of minutes. So by the end of this video, you'll have a website ready to go. Now, firstly, not long ago, I posted this poll on my YouTube community and asking you guys whether you have a website or not. To my surprise, 61% of you don't actually have a website. I'm kind of shocked, but at the same time, I'm not, which is why on this channel, I've got quite a number of videos on how to build a website. You may not have a website because it can be intimidating, and if you don't have any technical skills, it can be quite difficult, which is why I wanted to make this video. I'm going to show you a quicker and easier way to actually make one without actually writing a single code. Okay, let's get on to the actual how-to. The first thing you're going to need is a thing called web hosting. A web host essentially hosts all of your websites and your files so that others around globally can actually view your website. The web host that I recommend and one I'm partnered with so that I can give you this special discount is Hostinger. At the time of this recording, they've got a special Black Friday sale, which is quite insane. You can get started for as little as $1.95 per month. But if you use my discount code, which I'll show you how to use later on, you'll get a further discount on top of the already reduced prices. Now, go to this page or link in the description box below to head there. Now, select either the premium or business plan. I highly recommend the business plan. One of the reasons being is because you get daily and on-demand backups rather than weekly backups, so you can have peace of mind knowing that you've got the latest from your websites and the changes that you've made. Another big reason why is because there's 0% transaction fees if you're going to start selling stuff on your website. Regardless of whichever plan, you can host up to 100 websites under a single account and you get a free domain name to begin with. But let's say you're getting started with the premium plan. Select your period. Of course, the more months you go with, the cheaper it gets. Now, where it says have a coupon code, enter coupon code Aurelius and you'll see the further discount applied. Now you're paying as little as $1.75 per month, which is quite affordable for anyone to begin with. Once you've gone through the checkout process, it's time to build your website. Right away, you can select from either a WordPress website or use Hostinger's AI website builder. Right in front of me is Hostinger's AI website builder prompt. So I highly recommend using and going that route to save you hours of time. However, you're free to build a WordPress website if you'd like to. The great thing about Hostinger's AI website builder is you literally put in your business name or brand name and describe it in a few sentences and click on create a website and it's done for you. Let me demonstrate. Let's say you've got a life coaching business of some sort. I've just made up this hypothetical business. It's called Elevate Coaches and it's about life coaching and online life coaching. There are a few other settings here. You can choose the colors based on your color palette. Alternatively, you can use pre-made templates. And here are a list of professional website templates to start with. But we're going to go and run through the process of this AI website builder. We'll click on create a website and now it is building your website, as you can see. In less than 15 seconds, this is what Hostinger's AI website builder has produced. You can see the hero image with a video background heading, we've got subheading, we've got a call to action button there, we've got these different sections and the mission statement, we've got other features as well, some client feedback and a contact form here with a footer down the bottom. And this could very well be the start of your website. We're not done because there's a heap of other things that we'll run through in this tutorial, and for now, this is a great foundation for us to start with rather than starting from scratch and coding everything, that we perhaps don't even understand how to do. Some options while we're on here is you can regenerate and come up with another website if you'd like to by clicking on create again. But if you're happy with the look and feel and the layout of what you're seeing with what it's generated, all you need to do is click on edit site. And this will take you to the more advanced and customizable designer. So right here, right off the bat, you can start editing away with your heading, with your logo. Everything is drag and drop friendly. If you click once on the navigation bar, you can edit the header. And right here is where you can change the logo, replacing the existing made up logo with your own actual logo. So replace the images, you can choose the width of your logo, getting down to the actual specifications, details that way. Going down the section, we've got this header or hero image. We can edit this section and change the video, or if you simply want a nice background, you can do that and change it to an image and selecting another image like so. I'll change the heading right here to something like online life coaching. It's not the best headline, but I just want to demonstrate how easy it is to edit away, and you can drag what you want in the right positions if you wish to do so. So let's move everything up so that we can make the hero image smaller. So we want to go and set the height right here. We can see the drag icons right there. I'm going to drag it up, as easy as that. Now, because we are editing everything on desktop mode, we can always switch to mobile. So all of your websites and all of the templates that it does provide you with is all mobile friendly. So now we can see it is mobile friendly. It looks great on mobile too, and you can customize it based on mobile. So let's say this button on mobile is right here rather than at the top, but it will remain the same in the same position on desktop, as you can see, instead of down the bottom. So mobile, desktop. That's the basics of customizing. You can always add different sections and blocks by clicking on add section below where you want that new section to go. So on the list here, we've got main blocks and sections. So choose one. These are all pre-made templates. We've got an about section, services section, product categories. So if you've got products that you want to feature, you can do so. Projects, these are things that you may want to feature as part of your portfolio, depending on what you're showcasing or what your business is. A gallery of photos, slideshow or videos right here. Quite a number of things to choose from. An Instagram feed too, which is quite handy. I've actually got this on my website at aureliustijan.com. And we've got social icons that you can feature too, FAQ section, plus much more. As I said, there's nothing to build from scratch. Everything is kind of ready-made, and it's just a matter of inserting what you want. So let's go ahead and add, we'll go with something like testimonials. So we can select the ones that we like. So let's say this one here. Click once, now it is added. Obviously, this isn't the arrangement or the layout that I want, or that's optimized for viewership and engagement, but you get the idea. Then you can go into the section. You can also move down, move up the different sections and specify certain things of a section by going here, changing the background of a particular section, the layout. But for now, I'm just going to delete this section. I'll keep everything as is. Right here where there's an image, we're going to use AI to generate an image. So this is one of the features as part of the business plan only. So we can click on the existing image. We can replace it with something else. So change the image. Using the generate image, we'll essentially use AI to generate an image. So let's say a life coach, you can put in a text prompt based on that or whatever that's relevant to you. And then you click on create images, and then you can select one from the generated images. Going down, things like these forms, they can be edited too, so that you'll actually receive emails whenever someone sends or submits a form. So if you click once on the form, click on edit form, it will take you here, and it says under email, change where email notifications will be sent after each form submission. Enter the email that you want to receive all these submissions. Going into fields, you can customize the actual fields and adding any new fields you like. And looking at the footer, you can go into the social icons, for instance, go to edit social icons and enter the URLs of your social profiles. You can add new profiles as well. Looking at the left pane here, there are a few options. We can add individual elements such as text, buttons, images, a gallery, and some of these other ones. Let's say we want to add an image somewhere around here. We can just click once, that'll add the image element, and now we can drag it anywhere we'd like. So somewhere around here, of course, we've just got to adjust and move everything accordingly. So this should be a little more higher. All right, so somewhere there. It's not the best layout, right? But you get the idea. And now we can change the font size of this, making it smaller perhaps, if you want to do so, and arrange this button there. Really intuitive, really user-friendly in that way, where it's simply drag and drop. What you see is what you get. Next, you've got pages and navigation. This is where all of your pages and the navigation bar is all controlled. Let's say we want to disable the mentorship navigation link. We can click that once, or also going into settings. In the middle, you'll see hide from navigation, and it's gone there. All right, so now we can re-enable it by going here and showing navigation. That's where it's all controlled, and we can rearrange the links to be in whatever order we want. If you want to create a new page, all you need to do is click on add page, and we're going to create an about page since there's not one here. So I like this version here, and now we'll click save, and now we've got our about page there. All we need to do now is just modify it the way we want. Now, because we're on the about page, we can always switch to the home page by going back to pages, then home, or we can always click on any of these links at the top, and that will take you directly to those or that page. Under website styles, this is where you can put in your brand color palette. So if you do have one, you can make those adjustments individually here. And if you've got a set of fonts that you like to use on your website, you can use them here. Then you've got this kind of sparkle icon, and this all brings up the AI tools. We've got an AI image generator, a writer or writing assistant. Then we've got a page generator, section generator, a blog generator, heat mapping, SEO assistant, and a logo maker. So for instance, if you want to create a new page, we can click on AI page generator, and then we describe what page we'd like. Let's say we want to create a contact page with a Google map as well. So now I've entered my prompt. Let's click on create page. Now it's designing the page. And once again, in seconds, it's built that contact page for me, including the Google map. All right. And all we need to do now, of course, is modify all of these pieces of content, the location, and of course the contact form and the contact details. You can add articles and blogs by going to blog, and these are the list of blog posts that are currently on the site, but you can delete them. Create a new post this way. Onto the e-commerce integration, and don't be intimidated by the word integration. Actually, it's built in. So all you need to do is head to online store, click on add store, and right there, your store has been created. And these are placeholder products, of course. If you go back to online store, you can go and set up your store by adding products, giving your store a name, of course, and we can choose the product page templates, products, create different categories, view or a list of all our orders this way. And because this website is about life coaching, we can create things like appointments. If you head to manage store, this is how you get started with it all. To add a new product, all you need to do is click on add product where it says set up store, or head to products. You'll see a list of placeholders, but we'll click on add product, and there are a few options to choose from in terms of adding a product. You can create a physical, multiple physical products, digital products, services, appointments, and donation. But with a digital product, for instance, if you're selling an online course or an ebook or a guide, add your media. This could be a cover of your ebook, for instance, or a picture of your digital product. Give it a title, write a description about your product, and down the bottom, set your price, whether it's a paid product or a free product, and add any files and downloadables in this section right here. You just need to make sure that under payments, you connect your PayPal and or Stripe account so that you can start receiving payments. Furthermore, if you look in the more settings options, you can see some of the other options you can select from. Let's say SEO settings. So if you're concerned about whether this web host is SEO friendly, then you can rest assured that you can make those changes individually on the pages or the entire website. Down the bottom, you've got SEO title. So write your SEO title and a meta description as well. On each of the pages, you can go and head to the settings, then to SEO settings. And once more, you can put in the SEO title and the meta description. Also under more settings, we've got appointments. So you can check out all your appointments. You've got general settings, the form submissions, and analytics so that you can see and track your data and your users. Remember that you get a free domain name registration, and if you want to connect that, connect it, and then click this and then select a domain name of your choice. Once you're ready to publish your website, all you need to do is click on Go Live, and now it says your site is live. This will be your domain name, your website, or temporary website URL, as you can see with mine. Now I can view my website, as you can see. Going into some of the pages that I created, including the about page, you can see what it looks like, the contact page right here, beautiful, and the store page right here with the placeholders going into an individual product. Just want to show you what it looks like, and the customer can add to bag, check out, and away they go. All right, friends, and as I said at the beginning of this video, it's really easy to make a website these days, especially with AI and the ability to just enter a few text prompts and you've got a website ready to go, as you saw in this tutorial. So if you want to finally get that website up and running for your business or personal brand, use the link in the description box below. There's a current Black Friday sale going on, as I mentioned, so take advantage of this and use a coupon code Aurelius so that you can save even more. Even if the sale has ended, you can still use my coupon code to save. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope to see your website live and running. In the meantime, watch one of these videos right here, and I'll see you in the next one.